SD Music.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another beats making episode. It's your boy SD Music back again with another beats making tutorial. Big apologies to all those that have been waiting for this video to drop. It's been like a week or so since last time we posted a video, but nonetheless it's 5 a.m. in the morning right here and we have all the advantages to ourselves. So I just thought it's a good day to start making videos all over again. So welcome to another beats making episode with your boy SD Music. In today's video we're going to be making a reality type of beats in FL Studio. That is a hip-hop type of beats that you can use to spit fire. As you can see in this beat, I've done some freestyle already, so if you like freestyle, you're gonna hear me. I'm gonna sample it to you later on in the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Yep, that's most of it. That's most of what is inside these beats. Let me play the beats from the beginning with the freestyle and some part of the chorus before we get into the video. Let me feel this thing happen quick, no time for religion. We are black stars, west side now our region. 1% they for state house, 99 day oblivion. I welcome you to jungle, everybody in a lion. My friend, I wanna help you, let me take you to Zion. The gate na still back, covered with black nylon. If them say they no gree, we go claim asylum. Show them my ID card, my face look like son of Poseidon. Mommy, you toss a waiting. You must be mistaken. $1 billion stolen by NDDC, no shaking. Politics with no meaning. I don't give up already. I tire as to see me, I beg, pass me the henny. Them talk till we get freedom, na freedom today for prison. People make una reason. Apart from joke and kidding, think about una picking, the future of your picking. We need to make a change right now. Make a change, boy.
Intelligent. No let nothing keep you from your element. Life is not a game or a tournament. Waiting them to say they irrelevant. Fucking with your brain is the armament. Memories are clear, vision eloquent. Yeah. All my people they suffer since the starting, the pattern are still the same. Homies they intelligent, no let nothing keep you from your element. Life is not a game or a tournament, yeah.
All of my homies they intelligent. Patient is a virtue, not a negligent. Soldier no be gentleman. Police not your friend, I hope you understand. See, now every day, for where we day. Suffer too much, now who we go put the blame? We need to come together to put the devil to shame. Before we ban them with the blood. Everybody follow me to say a prayer. Holy Ghost, fire them all. You get one of my friend, them they call him Gideon. They like the group flex, fly high like pigeon. One day you go out to go cheap for evening. They stick them up and steal the kidney. Every budget development for 100 billion. One minister for housing collect 30 billion. Godfather signed the contract collect 20 billion. The rest now for the pavilion. I'm nothing the shell. Tele finyele. People we supposed talk, they twale and dobale. Don't talk about the youth, the future of tomorrow. Oh papa start with 50. You begin with Bololo. Your mouth are so loud, your nose go still turn Pinocchio. Waiting you want to tell me, wait I don't know already. And if I thought to know, you go follow me with machete. You can fuck with my flesh, but you can't kill my spirit. Right, that's just the preamble of the freestyle that I made on this beat due to the inspiration I've got. So basically what I do when I'm making a beat is that I try to make the beat in the mind of the artist by doing a little bit of freestyle in the beat. You know, if you check most of my tutorial, you will notice that there's some wave file beneath it, which I don't actually play for you also. I think it's going to be a habit from now on. I'm just going to be sampling you the freestyle on the beat so that you know how and where to take the beats to, in case if you need to. Alright, this is your boy SD Music. You know how we do it. Now let's get into the beat review proper. In this beat, we're using some 15 patterns to achieve it. On pattern 1, we have this sequence that's right here, which is the chord and I think lead instruments. Let's listen to both of them. Okay, that's the chord instruments, and then with these lead instruments played beneath it. That's a major part of the beat, so I put them place both of them together in one sequence, which is on pattern 1. Then on pattern 2, we have another version of the same instrument, which is the chord and the lead instruments, but a slight variation in the play. I don't think you'll be able to figure it out now, but it's there, it's somewhere, a little bit of variation in between, you know. Then on pattern 3, we have another version of the chord instruments. This one is just the chord instruments that was used at one point to create more alteration in the beats. Nothing spectacular, the same sequence. On pattern 4, we have this playouts that is here. This one is more like the kick and the 808 and these bongo instruments that was used in the instrumental to create the bass or the framework of the beats. It sounds like this. Then on pattern 5, we have another variation of the same thing with slight difference in the playouts. It sounds like this, similar. Woo. Yeah. Then on pattern 6, we have another variation of the kick, the 808 and the snare, and the bongo also sound a little bit different, but it makes the track to have more versatility in sound. Woo. That's on pattern 6. Then on pattern 7, we have another version of the same thing, which is doing different thing in the track. It sounds like this, very similar. On pattern 8, so okay, so on pattern 9, we start to have some other instruments like this one. Just like a support melody which was played using high VST. Cool. Then on pattern 10, this one is like a trumpet instrument that was used to spike up the melody of the beats. Sound like this. On pattern 11, we have similar variation of the trumpet instruments. It sound like this, very close to the previous one. On pattern 12, we have the bass line instrument played through Toxic Biohazard VST. Pattern 13, we have another variation of the bass line. As you can see, I have this long play outs. I usually do these things using this dump to stamp. So how you can do that is when you make a freestyle, you know, when you are playing your instrumental, you just be playing on your keyboard like so. Then at the end of the day, you might not have pressed the record button. You can use this stamp to this I don't know why I keep calling it stamp. You can use this dump score to bring it all out. So maybe I'm gonna make a separate video about that one, on how to do use the dump score to create your beats. It gives you more dynamic stuff, and all those things you think you've lost, they are all there. Then on pattern 14, we have the percussion and the rolls and the crash, all those things comes in, and I'm racking them using this FPC rack that I have here. They all sound like that. So I just did some freestyle over the track, playing it and creating alterations back and forth just to make it sound more dynamic and unique, and also to create energy in the track. All these things put together makes the track to come out even more. Then on pattern 15, we have this bell instrument, which is the last pattern. It sounds like this. Also note that this beat has not been mixed at all. This track sounds so awesome. We're going to start putting it all together from the verse 2 chorus. Then we see how it's all built up. Let's go. So that's everything in the track, and that's everything in the panel. Sorry, that's everything in the channel rack laid out in this verse. So we're gonna play the track from verse 2, from verse 3 to the end before we round up for today. Let's go. guys, that's one way of doing it. That's one way of creating a reality type of beat in FL Studio. That is a hip hop type of beat in FL Studio. Till I see you next time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and peace. SD Music.
Now look when all my people they suffer since the starting, the pattern are still the same. Homies they intelligent, don't let nothing keep you from your element. Life is not a game or a tournament, yeah.